Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix your YouTube not showing full screen. So you have to just go to your YouTube app and click on the profile icon, and there you can see the option of settings. In the second last section, you have to go to the settings and click on the general. There you can see zoom to full screen option is turned on, and you have to make sure that this feature is turned on. Now when you make sure that this feature is turned on, you have to come back and open your mobile settings from the top. There you can see the auto rotate option. You have to turn it on and you have to come back, and after these measures I hope that you will be able to fix your YouTube not showing full screen. But still, if you are facing a problem, so go to the mobile settings and go to the app management and open the app settings. There you have to open the YouTube settings and scroll down, and there you can see that picture in picture is allowed. So you have to make sure that this feature is allowed. Now you have to come back and open the Play Store app and search YouTube here. There you can see I've got the option of open, but if you got the option of update here, you have to first update your YouTube. And after these measures, I'm sure that you will be able to fix your YouTube not showing full screen. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.